Only 1 cup every day to lower blood pressure naturally. Let's talk about a natural remedy for lowering blood pressure, a special type of tea that has many great health benefits. While it's important to address the root cause of high blood pressure, such as potassium or vitamin D deficiency, there is a powerful option that you can consider. This tea contains antioxidants that are even more potent than those found in green tea, making it a promising option for managing blood pressure. Please subscribe and watch this video until the end to know the complete information. In a study, a significant impact of this tea on both systolic and diastolic blood pressure was highlighted. Systolic refers to the top number that measures the heart's contraction, while diastolic measures pressure during the relaxation phase, represented by the bottom number. According to the study, this tea was found to be as effective as the blood pressure medication captopril, and it may have a mild diuretic effect. However, the diuretic effect is not the main reason why it is effective in lowering blood pressure. It may help eliminate excess sodium without reducing potassium levels. Additionally, this tea was found to have additional health benefits, such as reducing triglycerides and LDL cholesterol. This could be particularly helpful for individuals who are not on a ketogenic diet and have high LDL cholesterol levels. This is particularly noteworthy as common medications for high blood pressure often cause nutrient depletion, leading to deficiencies in important minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These deficiencies can actually contribute to high blood pressure, which means that the side effects of the medication can worsen the condition it is meant to treat. This tea with remarkable blood pressure lowering effects is actually hibiscus tea, made from the beautiful hibiscus flower. The pigments in hibiscus flower, known as anthocyanins, act as natural ACE inhibitors. ACE is an enzyme that plays a role in fluid balance and blood pressure regulation in the body, and many blood pressure medications are ACE inhibitors. Hibiscus tea acts as a natural ACE inhibitor, relaxing the vascular system and lowering blood pressure. It's also rich in antioxidants, even more so than green tea. However, caution is advised if you're taking diuretic medication, as hibiscus tea can have diuretic effects and may further lower blood pressure. It's important to consult with your doctor in such cases. Hibiscus tea also offers other health benefits. Studies have shown that it can inhibit gastric cancer by up to 52%. And it has antimicrobial properties comparable to certain antibiotics, even surpassing penicillin in efficacy. Additionally, hibiscus tea has been found to help decrease fat accumulation in the liver. To experience the full effects of hibiscus tea, it's recommended to drink it for about 6 weeks while also ensuring adequate levels of vitamin D and potassium. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family too. Thanks. Bye.